Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy tutorial, how to convert a PDF to Google Slides in 2025. Whether you're a student prepping for a presentation or a professional needing quick edits, this method is fast, free, and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be converting files like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Google account because we'll be using Google Drive and Slides. Start by opening your web browser and heading to drive.google.com. Once you're logged in, click on the plus new button in the top left corner and select File Upload. Navigate to the PDF you want to convert and upload it to your drive. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the file size. Next, once the upload is complete, find your PDF in the Drive interface. Right-click on the file and hover over Open With. From the drop-down menu, select Google Slides. Magic happens here. Google will automatically convert your PDF into an editable slides presentation. You might notice that text and images are pulled in as slides, but keep in mind that complex layouts could need a bit of tweaking. Now, take a moment to review your new slides file. You can edit text, rearrange slides, add animations, or even insert new elements to make it your own. If your PDF has images or charts, they should import fine, but if something looks off, double-check the original file. One pro tip. If your PDF is password protected, you'll need to remove that protection first for a smooth conversion. Finally, once you're happy with your edits, go to File in the menu and select Save or Share to collaborate with others. That's it. You've just converted a PDF to Google Slides in no time. This 2025 update makes the process even smoother with better formatting support. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.